welcome back to our paper mill. I've been very busy since our last episode. The last episode we ended up here on the hill. So we are clearing out the trees uphill. We had a lot of logs laying around here. Logs are gone. We planted grass on the hill. I also cleared the backside, so now we just got an area up here for wood chipping. So this area is ready to be planted with new trees. Same down here. And if we jump to our backyard area, the first field is being cut. As you can see, we're cutting the trees, shoving them into the sawmill to create planks, to create tiles. It's going well. The tractor is cleaning up. Oh, almost well. Let's just ignore that, step on that. Oops. Clearing out the stumps, or tree stumps. And straight ahead, what is this? A container? Yes. I figured out using containers is much easier, so I've been pushing the pallets in here. So I found this type of container. I can't remember if this is medium or long. Fits 4 pallets. And it fits on the train, which is the main point. Same over here. So we have our container. And I'm just pushing them in with the forklift. You could probably have them more nice. I know in a real container, when you're using these pallets are Euro pallets, you can actually have 2 next to each other placed this way. But I guess these are not to scale. But you could definitely have one this way and one the other way, so we could fill it up. It was just experimentation. I can't get in here anymore. So we're just gonna continue to fill this up as we produce. I also tried a different mod with different containers, and it had a container loader. Or stacker, restacker. I haven't used them in this play yet. And I'm not sure I will. I'm not sure I'm keeping it, because there's something off about this. But anyway, let's proceed. Wood chips. Best month is January. Right now we'll get, I guess, 46. Most we'll get. We are in May, so we might as well just wait. Maybe not. One thing we were talking about last time is setting up a new production for using more lumber, right? So to get the money, we now have 477,000. I sold off all the spare planks we had. And the idea was that we, in this area next to the lake, would build a factory. Or is it a furnace? It's a furnace we're talking about. Which also makes it ideal, so we could have a road going through here. We need to create a bridge across the stream. Which makes sense now to have this road here, so we could continue over here this way around the lake to the factory area. And the first thing we really needed was, is it this one? No. There we go, this one. The iron furnace. So we need to figure out where do we want this. Because I could also see we want to make room for other things in this area. And we need some sort of way of loading a trailer like this. Right now it's full of wood chips. Let's just go and sell them as the first thing we do today. Because if we use this trailer or similar to go and pick up the iron, we need some way to load it. And I know already there is this wheeled front loader up there. The Volvo, the old Volvo, but it's... it will take forever to load with a trailer like this. So we need to invest in some sort of loading equipment. And I do know we could use conveyor belts. We have done that before. Checking prices for the other products. So we do have paper and carton. March is a good month. We're still in May. But current value is actually pretty good. So I think we will drive that container to the train and load it up. So one of the things I've been experimenting with was also the trains and exporting containers. So if I put in wood, they work just fine. You load it up, it's gone. You get money for it. But when we use anything other than wood, when the train hits the border for Elm Creek, it's definitely not fine anymore, because the container will be thrown off the train. We'll still sell the products inside the container. Let's see. Which is it? I don't think we need it that long. This should be fine. Let's close up. So after we get the money from the products on the train, we need to reset the container, you know, on the map. So the container will end up back at the shop. I actually submitted this as a bug to to Giants. I don't think it's a bug. I don't think they intended this type of use. Yeah, we definitely need a bigger wheel loader. Oh. Well, it's on there. One thing I'm not sure about is if the forklift is strong enough to lift these. I know it is when they're empty. But it would be nice to find out if it can do it when they're full. What? There's no straps? There we go. Alright. And the funny thing is, when we strap it down, you can see at the bottom, we can see the load inside the container, but also trees, even though there's no trees in this container. So if you go here, that'd be nice, thank you. Is it unreachable? Why? There we go. Yeah, he's still going through. That's fine. Let's go and book the train while we wait for the wheel loader. 3.1 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Yeah, it should be here soon. Oh, he's stuck. Let's see prices. Yeah, so we could actually afford one of the larger wheel loaders. And I think we will buy one, because we're definitely going to need it both for moving contain. Well, actually we need two. We need one down here in the Papermill and forestry, but we also need one for the iron mine. Of course, this one could do for now in the iron mine. However, he will struggle with the bucket size. So he's also going to struggle with loading the train. Oh, come on. So there we go, job done. So now we can send him back if he can figure that out. Here we go, steering. Set destination. Yeah, it's fine. And normally we just send off the train. Let's put the locks. Oh, hang on, let's get the truck to drive back as well. So we'll just stay on the train this time. So you can see what happens at the end. And off we go. Bottom right, you can see it's all locked in. So any time now we should be kicked out. Look at the container. So we got the money. And here we got other products from last time. If they fall off too early, they end up here. Let's look inside the container. It's empty. So what I do now is normally I would just go back to the farm. I go to this menu and I find the container and I hit reset. Because now it's back at the shop. We could actually drive the machine up here to clean up this mess. Or we could use power tools. Oh, look at that. There's actually a tree in the middle of the train line. Somebody's blocked. What are you doing? Jesus. Okay. So you can see the container is actually back here now. And because our factory is so close, it's not a problem. I just grab it and drive it over. Which when this is the door end. Yes. But still, it's a lot easier than having to drive and load each pallet over to the train. So I placed a container so its back end is up against something. Hang on. Let's grab it from the other side. So we grab the pallets from the end. So if I place this like here maybe. And we go into building, decoration, others. This guy. Then in theory it should stay there, right? Need to make sure we can still open. Oh, sorry, use the pallet holes. Let's give it some space here. Now it should be. Yeah, that's brilliant. Now it's secure. Let's see what happens. Perfect. That means we can take the pallet and just push them right in without the container going anywhere. Hopefully. Maybe we need one of the tall silo concrete bricks instead to prevent it from flipping. Alright. Got some money. Let's check out some tools. Discounts, nothing. wheel loaders. So I think the Volvo, this one, L80, is the biggest you can get from the Platinum expansion, and the biggest you can get from standard is the class 1914, 19.7 tons, and this one is 27 tons, 19, and the one we have is 14. That's a small mini, almost, it's the medium. So this one is a mod, and this one is from Platinum. But the modded one, I know it comes with some big shovels. There we go, 8,500 liters. Oh, the Volvo actually has a 10,000 liter. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, what we're doing is we're going to sell the old class. Bye bye. Then we're buying the Volvo. No, we're saving on safety. We also don't need the beeping. 300,000, yes, please. And then we're going for the leap here for the local work. Like it has a different variation. Mining, black line, standard. Standard is fine. Wheel industrial. Yeah. Handrails, sure. Looks good. Beacon, no. Back protection, what is back? Oh! Oh, that's mean. Front protection. Oh, this is actually very good. We used to have this on excavators as well, so you're protecting the pistons, right? Yes. Bye. Okay. And then we need some tools for those. Front wheel loader tools, there we go. Well, we already have a pallet fork, so we really only need the big shovel for Volvo. That's 5. Should really use something like this with the teeth, but it's a game. There we go. Nice. Very nice. There's also a significant size difference here, right? So now that we have the Volvo, we really don't need it because we don't have enough money to buy the factory or furnace. That's okay. Let's just get this guy on the road. I hope he can drive himself up to the mine. Unreachable. What about here? Yes. Oh, that's annoying with the side mirrors. That basically means this will be replaced eventually. Alright, very nice. So this guy, he can also be used for logging and everything in the forest. Close enough. Let's also secure that one. Shall we move him up from the road? I think so. Just a little bit, right? Decoration, other concrete barrier in the back, and here and here. Same on the other side. There we go. Oh, that might have been too close because did you see it move? I want to prevent that, want to give it some space so it can actually move just a little so we don't get all this physics fuck up. Perfect. Still got some way to go. And this area where we are parked right now, that's where we were planning to make the new production for using whatever we are producing too much of in the sawmill. It's planks, we are producing way too many planks, right? So we wanted to utilize the planks. So we're actually producing floor tiles needs planks, yes, but we are producing too many planks, yeah, so we want to do something additional with planks. Good. Let's get the planter out. What are we planting? Nobody is sure. Nobody knows. Also, I've been experimenting with this mod. There's a lock mod, but we need to clear out this area on the right first. The pine, what they call stone pine, because basically we need that to be able to build the building. There's a beautiful mod called Log Warehouse. We can check it while we're doing this. It's on the silos. It's these, so you can see this one is for pine and this one is for spruce. You can also just do a pile, but I really like the houses. I guess it's pine we are planting here. I'm not sure. I do remember we bought one of the big pallets with, is it 100 or 60 plants on it? I'm actually not sure we can harvest stone pine with the forestry machine. Looking at the top. With this crown? Well, maybe. We'll see when we get to that. So it's quite clear already now. The favorite trees planting doing forestry with is spruce. Oh, right, this might be the different kind. Remember we bought a pallet called Spruce 2? This might be those actually. You can see on this pallet on the back it says Spruce 1. Just get a new pallet. Pallets. Here we go. 120. Let's just get 120 and let's get. Yeah, let's just do one pallet of normal spruce. So we might actually be deleting some of the trees here on the left if we want to make a road around to the new factory. And we definitely do that. Do want to do that. So I'm just gonna put a row in along the side of the road here. Oh, the tractor is not strong enough. We're struggling. Again. This old Volvo has always caused us problem. Ever since episode 1 when we started using it. I'm missing a shortcut to disable auto switch, auto gearing. I don't want to go into the menu to change that, I just want to press a key. You should just keep it in second gear and let's go. Switching to first. Switching to second. As it does is fine. Switching to first again. Every time you touch the steering wheel. Right. So let's see. We want to create a road across here, right? So we need to go through the forest somewhere. Yes, John Deere time. Just calling up the Yada rail. How heavy it is. Oh! Okay. Guess not. Oops. Come on, get up. Alright, fine. Okay, what was the command to let go? Release trees, V, follow me. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we made passage through to the stream. And now we need to create a bridge across. How heavy is this? 1.4? 1.4. It should be able to take both. Let's see. Else we'll just cut something off them. Yes. There we go. Return. Need a tractor. This guy. Yes. Oh, here we go. Now we can see it working. Need to remember to lift it a bit up before I'm sending them down. One of these had some branches. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Good. Let's see what we can do to create like a crossing, because I know I got some. I think it's on other decorations. Some bridge cross. Yeah, here we go. So we are able to create some bridge crossings, right? I'm just wondering what type, because we will be bringing heavy equipment across and a lot. So instead of one like this, I'm thinking to have two or maybe four of these, something like that, right? Need to ensure it's wide enough for the vehicles. Let's do some painting over here. Oh, we need to get rid of that bush. There we go. That's annoying. They don't keep the same height. But no. Delete. But of course, that's landscaping. So if we take this, do this, should be the same right here. Should be. Not guaranteed. There we go, that's good. There we go. We got that started. Now we can continue through here to create a road out. Let's try it out. It's even too wide. That's luckily an easy fix now. Yes. Such a shame you can't click one and move them. You have to build new ones every time. Should probably have tested that before we just went crazy, right? Good. No. Yes. Good. Gonna leave the tractor over here because we're gonna need it to clear out some more of these bushes. We might need this guy as well to drag some lumber across the new bridge. So we're just gonna move him down, park him. Oh, the controls have changed. What? I need to work on that. That's annoying. So usually this function was closing, and now this is turning. This is front dozer. What's going on? Where is it's not even showing anymore. That's weird. Because this function was closing. Oh, here we go. 28S1. Oh, okay. Okay. That's fine. But when you don't know, it's not fine, it's actually a problem. What are we stuck on? Just pull. So of course, making the road, we are losing a few saplings, but that's fine. And now we can clear the area across here. Very nice. We'll leave that for next time. And hopefully we will be ready to sell some more products. Load up the container and get that sent off. Let's see, shingles or flooring tiles. March highest. Strange, because right now value at 49,500. Ah, okay. Yeah, we could get more now than at max. There's something weird going on with these prices. Got plenty of planks. We can always sell those as a backup. We won't right now. Wood chips. Bark mulch. We still don't have a sell point. I don't know how to get rid of it or use it in a production yet. Normally you would use it in a greenhouse. Nope. Nope. I even have this sell all. It doesn't even take it. So I don't really know what to do with it. It's fine. Alright. Oh, I almost finished. We have one outstanding up here. This guy. Let's just get that driven up to the mine. So it's a nice machine, nice equipment, but just like any other hydrostatic controlled vehicles like this one, they are always struggling uphill. They will get up, no question about it. The torque is immense, but they won't get up at speed. It's always like, very slow, very slow. Also, if you drive them too far, I've driven one like 95 kilometers. We had to stop after 80 because it was overheating. It's not meant for long driving. So there's definitely some benefits and some problems with these. Well, we just needed to move it, right? So we thought instead of getting a truck and renting a trailer and everything, we would just drive it. Why not? Oh, he can easily handle the load. And we can't move the stack. I'm wondering if we can push it around, maybe. Oh. Because I don't think we can actually buy this land either. Yeah, we can push it around. And then you're maybe thinking, why are we pushing this around? Well, basically we just want to make sure that this one just keeps spitting out. Because if we need to use all the wood we're getting, that means we also need to get more of production, of any kind of production. Alright, there we go. So let's take a look. Yeah, as you can see, we can't buy inside here. It won't let us buy this plot. We can buy around. That's fine. And now we're done for today. Alright, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if there's something you're missing or see something I'm missing. And I'll see you next time. Let's save. Bye bye.